Time for another Coyote update. Actually got some sheet metal on the truck now. It's kind of exciting. So here's the PCM body harness connector that I built. There's pictures online of that. So I got my fuse box mounted back in here. There's my main power wire going to the battery, bolted to my jump posts. Still got to figure out how much of the 2003 harness I still want to keep. Hopefully not much. Need to get rid of my throttle cable still. Don't need that crap anymore. And this is going to get tucked down behind the fuse box, the original 2003 fuse box. Some of these connectors are going to go into the interior, and then some of these are going down the frame rail. I'm probably going to modify this guy because I don't need this big giant connector for just two little wires, and I may do the same thing for this guy that's 10 or so pins. We'll see. Anyways, starting to look a little bit more like an engine bay in here. So here's my progress from this week. I've got the 2015 cluster fitting pretty nicely inside the shell of the 03 cluster, so it'll fit right in the dash, which will be nice. You can use factory mounting points for cluster. Here's what my interior is looking like these days. I got the seat pulled, got the console pulled, I got the dash bubble pulled up here, so I can start running some wires for this donor harness and figuring the rest of this out. I'm cleaning up some wiring that I've done over the years and making sure it's all tidied, and while I'm in here I might as well fix all that too. So here we are.